In today's fast-paced digital world, customers expect performant, AI.
Stop that nonsense. Just tell me what Alokai is.
Alokai is a platform for building and maintaining e-commerce experiences. If you've ever built a front-end for your e-commerce, then you know it's a challenging task. There are so many technologies and moving parts that it is becoming increasingly hard to build a scalable and high-quality digital shopping experience. Alokai addresses all the challenges that you will face when doing that. Our platform guides merchants on all stages of a storefront implementation project. In this video, I'll give you a short intro about each of our products. Check our channel for in-depth videos about them. These days, to build a scalable and consistent design, we use design systems. Starting one can be a time-consuming process. This is why we provide you with a great starting point, Storefront UI. It's a white-label design system based on market best practices with accessible components and corresponding design files that can be easily adjusted to any brand identity. We also provide a battle-tested reference architecture to help you offload many tough decisions upfront. For the build stage, we provide Alokai Storefront, which is a production-ready e-commerce project with all standard features, state-of-the-art architecture, and patterns that eliminate repetitive groundwork. This lays solid foundations for your team to develop it further. The project includes pre-configured storefront and middleware with required integrations pre-installed. On top of that, code quality checks, CI and CD pipelines are set. This saves months of initial project work. To streamline the development further, we provide AI contexts. These help AI coding agents understand the Alokai ecosystem and best practices. One of the unique features is the Multistore. It allows building multiple storefronts from a single codebase. It's useful when you want to implement multi-channel, multi-brand, multi-geo, multi-anything solutions. Composable commerce is great. It allows you to use the best-of-breed tools for the job. However, as you may know, it introduces a new challenge: how to build a seamless user experience out of these tools. Alokai Connect is an answer for that. It connects your storefront with different third-party systems like e-commerce platform, CMS, or search engine. It does it in a standardized way. This speeds up the work by giving the developers ready-to-use integrations with various systems so that they can focus on what matters the most: the end-user experience. They don't have to wire up connections and build repetitive data mappings. Alokai Connect also serves as an anti-corruption layer that protects the storefront from being affected by changes in the backends or the quirks of legacy systems. The middleware is a framework that runs the integrations. SDK guarantees type safety between the backend and frontend. An integration is a package that contains all the logic to communicate with a given service. Alokai provides a set of ready-to-use integrations with different systems, for instance SAP Commerce Cloud, Commerce Tools, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, BigCommerce, Magento, Adobe Commerce, Contentful, Ampliance, Bloomreach, Builder.io, Content Stack, SmartEdit, Storyblock, Algolia, and Coveo. Check our website to see the full list. Haven't found integration you need? Fear not! We have an AI-powered integration builder that helps you build your own integration with any system, even a custom one. To make composable commerce even simpler, we created a thing called Unified Data Layer. After years of integrating various e-commerce and CMS systems, we realized they had a bunch of features in common. So we went ahead and standardized them. We defined an abstraction layer over all these systems so that plugging in or switching between them is seamless. In other words, it decouples the storefront from the backends, making it less vulnerable to the changes on that end. Defining such a standard helps developers and agencies to use the same tech stack for projects with different vendors. It also turned out to be helpful for AI to assist with the development. Typical storefront solutions miss a dedicated cloud environment to deploy to. Alokai covers that as well. We provide a secure cloud infrastructure tailored to our tech stack, improving performance, scalability, and maintenance. CI and CD pipelines are set from day one, and the required security standards are met. Alokai Console is a tool to manage and monitor your cloud infrastructure. It gives you visibility of how your storefront is performing, correlated with the latest deployments and code changes. Various metrics and detailed logs are available. Settings allow you to fine-tune your solution. You can also set up alerts to react fast when something goes wrong. Have you ever had a gut feeling that your e-commerce could perform better, but you had no idea why or how to improve? If yes, then Alokai Commerce Intelligence is for you. It helps you identify, prioritize, and solve issues with your e-commerce. It combines and analyzes data from different sources to give you a single metric of your business's health. Besides that, it also shows you a breakdown of your score and, what's most important, gives you actionable insights ordered by importance. This way, you can resolve the most revenue-impacting issues first, even before the end users report it to you. In other words, Commerce Intelligence is a tool to save your revenue and make your customers happy. Want to see all this in action? Request a demo or explore our product deep dive videos.